Well, TikTok is at it again. They are giving away more free money. This is actually the best promotion that I've seen them run to date. So I'm excited to share a quick video to tell you how you can take advantage of this limited time opportunity and get up to a $3,000 ad credit. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to claim that ad credit, where to go to get it, and then also who qualifies to get this ad credit. So let's jump right in. So the first thing to know is what the actual ad credit is. You can see here that this is an ad credit that if you spend $100, you can get $200 ad credit. If you spend $500, you can get a $1,000 ad credit. If you spend $1,500, you can get a $3,000 ad credit. The reason why I say this is the best ad credit that I've seen to date is because usually it's a one-to-one match. If you spend $100, you can get a $100 ad credit, or if you spend $1,000, you get a $1,000 ad credit. Here it is a 1-to-2 match where if you spend $100, they give you $200. So for every dollar you're spending, they're actually going to give you two back, which is huge if you are just getting started with TikTok ads. So in order to claim this, all you need to do is go down in the link to the description. I have the link there for you. You can go through and click it. It will take you right to this page where you can go through and claim this offer. You can see you can go through and hit start and then go through and create your account. Now, before you run off and go and create that, I do want to have you be aware on who actually qualifies for this ad credit. So the first thing is you can see here that this is new advertisers only. So you will need a new TikTok ads account in order to qualify for this ad credit. And this promotion is specifically for the lead generation campaign objective. So once you log into your TikTok ads account, you actually need to run the ads in the TikTok lead generation campaign objectives. It's very important. I'm going to show you exactly what I mean here in a minute so that you don't mess that up. So go through, sign up, click the link down below and sign up for the account. Once you've signed up for the account, it will take you to a view that looks something like this. This is like a brand new account. What you want to do is you want to come over here to the tools, and then you want to come over to payment. You want to make sure that your payment information is added in this bottom left-hand corner. You want to come over here to payment, make sure that it's all added in there. And then right here is where you're going to see your available cash balance and your current ad credit. So as you go through and spend, once you hit the $100 ad credit or once you hit these specific ad limits, the ad credit will automatically be added here and it will automatically be applied to your account as you spend. So this is where you can check to make sure that the ad credit has been added. You can even click on here and view details and it will tell you which ones specifically had been added to your account. So that's where you can check to make sure that you are getting those ad credits. But in order to make sure that you are spending it in the right way and that you are qualifying for them, what you want to do is come over to the campaign here and you want to make sure that you are choosing the lead objective. So if you hit create a new campaign, you can either do the basic mode or the advanced mode. I recommend most people choose the advanced mode. And then once you've clicked on that, it will then take you to a view that looks something like this, where you can see the advertising objective. And this is important. This is where you make sure you go through and you click lead generation. So if you are in the market to capture more leads, I encourage you to take advantage of this. If you're an e-commerce store and you're wondering how you can go through and take advantage of this, you can run a lead generation campaign to just capture emails and then send emails to those people to get them back. You might as well take advantage of this opportunity to get $2 back for every dollar that you're spending inside of TikTok. And in case you are wondering, this ad credit does work if you are going to be running a lead generation campaign to your website or Instant Forms. It works for either one of those optimization locations. Now, if you're seeing this and you have no idea what to do next, how to actually go through and create a lead generation campaign, don't worry. I actually just created a whole new lead generation campaign tutorial a couple of days ago so that you can take advantage of this ad credit and have a step-by-step tutorial that shows you how to do it. So if you need a little bit more steps on how to create a lead generation campaign, be sure to check out this video right here and we'll see you in the next one.